Magnetic knife. One. Okay, let's find one that is this wide. How about you? No, not you. No, not. Oh. Okay, let's take this out first that way. And you are really close. For the magnet, gives me a little bit of adjustability in there. Planing stop. Let's try this again. Come on, loosen up. That's a bit too heavy. That's good enough. Okay, now we set our depth gauge. See, if I did it that way, it would be, not with that shift. One magnet, it's not enough. But if I put, my finger in there. But if I put two magnets, now it's enough. Went with the grain on the last one. That means we're going against the grain on this one. Yay! Can I pull it off without breaking it? Hey, look at that. Stick in one. Stick in two. And then, still not enough. So right now these two magnets are attracted to each other. And what that does is it actually shrinks the field. So if I take one of them and I flip it, now they're repulsed by each other. And if I glue them in with them repulsed, that might actually make the field a little stronger. So let's see what that does. Nope, still not enough. So let's try doubling up the magnets and see if that's enough. Oh, there we go. Still a little bit loose on that one. But with one of these, that's solid. And that's the heaviest of all of them. This one should be one of the easiest. Yeah, there we go. This thing is 4.30. Work this. Hey. So if I slide these magnets all the way to the end, how much space do I have left to work with? I've got 5/8 of an inch. Two. Yeah. There's that. Let's do a little cleanup. They don't want to go together here, so we flip them around, and now they want to go together. One set, two set, two set. Just a little bit of sanding helps all of that pop out. There we have 3 of them now, and they don't like each other. Oh, they do like each other. Here we have the demon-possessed yellow brace. Getting it in that hole without it going into the magnet is the hard part. In the hole. There's that one, and the last one to snip. In the hole. Knife is there. I want it somewhere around this height. So take the knife off, and we're gonna go, ow, not the finger. I can't quite see it from there. There it is. Got it. There's that one. Where's the other short one? Oh, here. 4. Now for the next one. Come on. 2. And we got 3. There we go. So there you have it, a knife wall. Now I used to use a knife block, but the thing starts to get kind of grody and it's hard to clean out in there. And I really like this, being able to see all the knives and have them organized here makes me very, very happy. I do a lot of cooking in the kitchen and knives are kind of necessity for the kitchen. So yes, sharp utensils upstairs as well as sharp utensils downstairs. So another simple, fun project. You can make one of these pretty quickly. I'll leave a link to the magnets I use and all that down below. If you'd like to see anything on that or have any questions, let me know that. I do read through all the questions and I answer as many of them as I can get to. So thank you. Honestly, putting questions down there does help out the channel. That means a lot. Anytime you hit like, comment, share, subscribe, thank you. That means a lot to the channel. That really helps us grow. You may also notice there are a bunch of people scrolling on the other side of their knives. Those are the patrons on Patreon. Patrons, as well as members here on the channel, people who click that join button down below, you are the ones who are funding this channel and helping us grow. Without patrons and members, we wouldn't be here. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewers. So thank you. If you'd like to find out more about that, there's links to Patreon down below, or click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. We have perks for both, and that means more than I can say. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Now that project, some might say that's a sharp project, but I'm going to say that's a real knife project. You may have noticed in this particular project, I used my Demon Yellow brace as well as the Demon Blue brace. Oh no, it's time for an exorcism. Where's my Stanley number 666?